the ultimate lint bin. No more mess, no more fuss. Magnetic, stylish, and space-saving. Say goodbye to lint-covered floors and mystery fuzz piles. The SUBEKYU Magnetic Lint Bin is the space-saving laundry hack you never knew you needed. Designed to stick firmly to your dryer or mount on the wall, this sleek metal bin with a locking lid keeps lint, used dryer sheets, and detergent pods in check. No more ugly plastic bins cluttering your space. This modern, minimalist design blends seamlessly with any laundry room. Functional, stylish, and built to last, your laundry space just got an instant upgrade. Tired of flimsy bins that fall over at the worst times? This powerhouse means business. Crafted from durable iron with a waterproof coating, it resists rust and corrosion for long-term use. The ultra-strong magnetic backing secures it firmly to your dryer without leaving a scratch, while the locking lid keeps lint from escaping. Prefer to wall mount? No problem, 2 adhesive hooks give you options. Whether you're a minimalist or just hate clutter, this bin is the ultimate space-saving solution. Lint buildup is more than just an eyesore, it's a fire hazard. That's why this lint bin comes with a free dryer lint brush, making it easy to remove hidden lint and keep your dryer running at peak efficiency. Save energy, prevent overheating, and cut down on dryer time, all while keeping your laundry area spotless. It's not just a bin, it's a game changer for laundry maintenance. Think about all the lint, dryer sheets, and random laundry room clutter piling up. This bin solves it all in one compact, mess-free solution. No more wasted time sweeping up lint balls, and no more ugly plastic trash cans taking up space. Affordable, durable, and designed for efficiency, the SUBEKYU Lint Bin is an investment in cleanliness, convenience, and peace of mind. Forget cheap, flimsy plastic bins. This high-quality metal lint bin is built to withstand daily use. With strong magnets, a secure lid, and versatile mounting options, it's the ultimate upgrade for any laundry room. Whether you have a small laundry nook or a full-sized room, this bin blends in, tidies up, and makes life easier. Click Add to Cart now and upgrade your laundry game.